Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless impact wrenches available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're working on car tires, tackling DIY projects, or handling professional-grade tasks, these tools offer the power and convenience you need. You can find links to all the products in the description below. So, let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have the impact wrench with a max torque of 400 Newton meters. This budget-friendly option is powered by a 20-volt brushless motor, providing up to 3,000 RPM for a range of light to medium-duty tasks. It comes with a 4.0 amp-hour Li-ion battery, a fast charger, and 4 socket attachments, making it a decent entry-level package for anyone seeking affordability. In terms of design, the build quality feels solid but not premium. The tool is lightweight and easy to maneuver, which is great for extended use and tight spaces. However, it may not hold up to heavy-duty professional use over time. The inclusion of a brushless motor is a plus, as it improves efficiency and reduces wear. But the torque output of 400 Newton meters limits its application to smaller jobs like removing lug nuts or working on lightweight equipment. This product is best suited for casual DIYers or those looking for a secondary impact wrench at a low price point. While it's not the most powerful or feature-rich, it gets the job done for basic needs. Pros include its affordability, lightweight design, and brushless motor. On the downside, its lower torque and limited durability may not satisfy professionals or those needing more power. At number 4 is the KIMO impact wrench. This tool offers 406 foot-pounds of torque with a max speed of 3,000 RPM, making it slightly more powerful than our number 5 pick. It comes with a 4,000 mAh battery, 4 sockets, and even a 9-piece drill and screwdriver set, which adds extra value for those who need versatility. The design is compact and ergonomic with a rubberized handle for a comfortable grip during prolonged use. The tool also includes a premium brake stop feature, which prevents over-tightening or damaging fasteners, great for those new to using impact wrenches. While the build quality is decent, it still falls into the budget category, meaning it's not as rugged or durable as higher-end models. The KIMO is ideal for light automotive work, like rotating car tires, assembling furniture, or small home repairs. Its affordability and included accessories make it an appealing choice for DIYers on a budget. Pros include the high torque for its price, the thoughtful brake stop feature, and the added value of the included accessories. However, the brand's unknown reputation and lack of premium durability are drawbacks to consider. Taking the number 3 spot is the Rayleigh cordless impact wrench. With a maximum torque of 740 feet-pounds, 1,000 newtons, and a top speed of 3,300 RPM, this tool offers a significant power upgrade over the previous entries. It comes with 2 4.0H batteries, a fast charger, and 6 impact sockets, making it a well-rounded package for serious users. The build quality feels robust, with a sturdy housing and a brushless motor that ensures better performance and longevity. The tool features a 3-speed mode, allowing you to adjust torque and speed according to the task. Additionally, the LED work light is a handy bonus for working in dimly lit spaces. At 8.5 pounds, it's slightly heavier, but the ergonomic design makes it manageable. This wrench is perfect for those who need a balance between affordability and performance. It's strong enough for automotive repairs, home maintenance, and light professional use. Pros include its high torque, dual battery system, and brushless motor. The main cons are its heavier weight and the fact that it's not from a well-known brand, which could be a concern for long-term reliability. In the runner-up spot, we have the cordless impact wrench with a massive 900 feet-pounds of torque, 1,200 Newton meters. This beast is designed for heavy-duty tasks, making it a go-to choice for professionals and advanced users. It comes with 2 4.0 amp-hour batteries, variable speed settings, and a brushless motor for maximum efficiency. The design is sleek and durable, with a well-balanced weight distribution that prevents fatigue during extended use. It features forward and reverse switching, as well as an LED light for precision in low-light environments. The tool's high torque output allows it to handle stubborn bolts on trucks, lawnmowers, and other heavy equipment effortlessly. This wrench is ideal for professionals or anyone tackling demanding projects. Its power, build quality, and dual battery system justify the higher price tag. Pros include its exceptional torque, impressive build quality, and versatility. However, it's on the pricier side for those on a budget, and its heft may be a downside for some users. And finally, taking the #1 spot, we have the DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench Kit. DEWALT is a trusted name in the power tools industry, and this model lives up to the brand's reputation with an impressive 1,030 feet-pounds of max fastening torque and 1,400 feet-pounds of breakaway torque. It's one of the most powerful wrenches on the market, capable of handling the toughest jobs with ease. The design is rugged yet ergonomic, with a shock-absorbing battery-to-tool connection that protects the battery during heavy use. The 4-mode speed settings and variable speed trigger give you exceptional control over the tool, while the precision wrench control prevents over-tightening and fastener runoff. The included LED light is bright and strategically placed, adding to its usability in dark or tight spaces. This wrench is the ultimate choice for professionals and serious DIYers who need top-level performance. While the price may be on the higher end, the power, durability, and brand reputation make it worth the investment. Pros include unmatched power, excellent user control, and DEWALT's reliability. The only drawback is the price, but if you want the best, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the best cordless impact wrench for your needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or recommendations, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you. See you in the next video.